Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to create a Samsung account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your settings and then scroll down a little and you will get to see this account and backup. Tap on it. And after this, on top you can see this manage account option here. Tap on it. So here you can see that I do not have Samsung account option here. Scroll down a little and you'll see this add account option here. Tap on it and click on this Samsung account. Now, in order to create your Samsung account, agree to the terms and policy and click on this agree button here. In order to create your account, you will need to give your email address that you want your account to be associated with, create your password as well, select your date of birth, and then give your first name and last name. And after you do this, click on this create account. First of all, I'm going to choose here my country and then give my mobile number and click on this send button here. Now for the verification, you will need to go through 2 steps verification. One from your phone number. You will receive a verification code on your provided phone number. Give it over here and click on this verify option. And then after you do this, go to your email address again by clicking on this go to inbox. And with this, you can see here I have already received here another email. Open it up and here you can see this verify account button here. Click it and now your account is finally verified and created. This was it for today guys. I hope you guys liked the video and find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.